What's up, everybody? Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. It is hot. It has been really hot, and around here this time of year that means a lot of rain, so it's been tough to fish. There's been not just rain. Rain doesn't really bother me that much, but rain combined with lightning, man, that's a lot less cool when you're out on the beach. That's kind of dangerous like. So today we actually have a little bit of time. Weather is cooperating a little bit, so we're gonna head out to Tybee. Let's out to the beach. I really love living in Savannah. It's been pretty cool so far. Living somewhere that has all this history and whatnot.
Where's it going to say up front?
I just need a bag of ice.
Okay. Want the pennies?
No, sir. Have a good one.
Thank you. Well, I don't know how well you can hear me or how well you can see what's going on out here. That wind is whipping. Even with it whipping, there's a ton of people out on the main beach and a bunch of people wind sailing, wind surfing. Not too many people around the point as usual, so we're going to move on around to the spot. Hopefully put a little bit of this wind to our back if possible. Boy, it's crazy right now. It's almost unfishable, but we'll see if we can pull it off. Alright, so in spite of this wind, I've found a spot. We're going to give it a crack. There is a guy right about where it likes to be set up, but we'll wait and see what happens. And maybe we'll move down. Maybe we'll give up altogether. It is really windy, so we'll see what happens. Yeah. Something's hitting the small rod right away. It could be something's hitting the small rod right away. It could be crabs or something that could be tumbling around a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Something for sure is happening. Oh, that was a fish for sure. I hope I got him. I think I did. Okay, well, you know what? Pretty sure that's bait. Those dudes make really good bait. We might let him go though, because I'm not really fishing cut bait today. I'm not out here long enough to be changing up leaders and stuff. I'm only gonna be here like an hour and a half. That's awesome though. It's good to know that I can catch bait right here, like that. All right, there we go. That's a real hit on this rod. Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit. Finally. Oh, wow. What are you? Are you a little baby drum? Or are you a perch? No. Not sure. Maybe a croaker?
Oh yeah, okay. I see them swimming out here all the time, right? Yeah, those are the fish I saw.
Cute.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I'm really going for some whiting or some redfish, but
Are they good eating?
I don't know. Maybe we'll find out.
Hey,
Right?
we eat everything. Enough tartar sauce, everything's good.
Heck yeah. No size limit. We're keeping it. I can keep 25 of them, and there's no size limit. Well, something was definitely hitting this rod right away, so we're going to check it. Make sure the bait's still on there. That was a hell of a cast too. So it sucks I'm having to reel that all the way back in. But this is the hot time right now. The last little bit of time before sunset. So if I think anything has hit anything and I need to check anything, we're just gonna go ahead and do it. That's a little whiting. That's gonna go in my cut bait cooler. Actually, we're gonna give him back to the fish gods. Pay it forward. Get this back out there. That might be a school of whiting way out there. Oh. Pretty sure the far rod got hit. Yeah. upgraded whiting. That is a good whiting. Is that rod getting hit too? That rod's getting hit too. So I missed this one, I missed this one. All right. Nothing's happened in a while. I still gotta stop by the store on my way home, so let's start pulling in the longest rods first. And then we'll get the heck out of here. This one right here keeps moving. It's not like moving. It's not like I like to move and move it. Maybe we'll pull this one in first. I don't think anything's there. We're just gonna go ahead and do it. Let's just do it. It's getting dark. I feel like y'all can probably see better than I can on the camera. So none of this is gonna make it on the thing. So